Hey guys, my name is Asia, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to crop a hoodie. So if you want to see how to do that, then keep on watching. So to make this DIY crop top hoodie, I started by cutting the bottom half of the hoodie off right where the pockets are. Then I took some elastic and I lined it along the bottom of the hoodie, and then I folded it upwards and pinned it down. After that, I pulled the elastic out and just made sure not to move the pins that are in the shirt. And then using the pins as a guideline, I sewed along the bottom of the shirt. Then I made sure to leave a small opening so that I could put the elastic through that. To make pushing the elastic through the opening a little easier, I took a safety pin and hooked it on one end of the elastic, and then I just pushed it all the way through, and you can see that it starts to make this ruched waistband, which is exactly what we want. And once I did that, I just sewed the opening closed, and that's it. So now I'm gonna show you guys the final product.